You know, it's never quiet at EHBC unless there's nobody here. But when I was growing up in church, I was always taught you need to be as quiet as a church mouse. We were told to be still and pay attention. Sometimes I think that's so deep in our psyche, we as Christians have a difficult time raising our voice even when we need to. Well, the truth is we don't have anything important to say apart from God. But the reality is that people in the world are always raising their voice and sharing what they think is important. Movie stars are speaking out on every topic known to mankind. Well, you have something important to say because God has put His Word inside of you and the Holy Spirit wants to speak through you. Sometimes you'll be in a group of friends and He'll have something He wants you to say for Him. Or you're with a group of people in crisis and you're the one who has the answer because the Holy Spirit has given it to you. We're going to talk about that this week on the podcast. It's called Raise Your Voice. I hope you'll listen because God has something important He wants to say through you.